Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZENFONE 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change default app. You need to begin by going into Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In those settings, click on Apps and Notifications. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Default Apps. Now select one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case Browser app, and click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!